Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we're diving deep into the Projects app. With our Projects app, you can manage all your jobs with ease in a professional way. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Scroll down until you find the jigsaw puzzle icon, which is the Projects app, and click on it. There are two ways to create a project/job in Elite Technique. It can either be automatically generated when a proposal is confirmed, or you may also create a project from scratch. Here you can create the different stages of your project's pipeline by clicking on the little cross on the top right of each column. By default, you will get the undefined column. Any new project you create will appear in this column. Click on the cogwheel next to the cross and select Fold to hide a column. Click on Create to create a new project. Label your project and hit Add. To edit your project, click on where it says I Project. Click on Edit before making any changes. You have many options here. You may add a description of the job. You can also view the work order, any added documents, files, or images if the project was created from a confirmed proposal. You can view all the tasks set for this project and, if necessary, edit them or create new ones from scratch with assigned parties and a task workflow. We can view the proposal we had initially sent the customer, edit it, create a new BOM, or even an invoice. We can view, edit, or create timesheets to track man hours. In Project Overview, we can see everything that will be billed in this project and also view any invoices that have been created. Click on the Settings tab to edit and customize your project. Here you may assign a project manager as well as the crew who will be color coordinated. You may see this color on the left side of the project card. You may utilize tags to group and categorize projects more easily. We can set an estimated start and end date. Remember to hit save to complete the process. Now, back at where all the projects are, let's view a complete project card. We can see the color on the left that pertains to the crew that was assigned to this job. We also have a tag that was used. There is a start and end date. On the bottom left, we have the project tasks. If the project was created from an accepted proposal and has labor costs associated with it, you may access the project overview instantly. In part 2, we will cover how to create tasks for projects and every other aspect of them. Thank you very much. Work smarter, not harder. Elite Technique.